Hey guys, we're back in my kitchen and it's snack time. We're gonna make some granola bar bites, which are like granola bars, but they're little balls that you bite, and it's super tasty and super easy. I made them this morning so that my husband had something for a trip to the dermatologist for our foster dog. So yeah, I made them, I don't know, it took like 6 minutes maybe? Yeah, super good. Let's get started. Protein powder is probably not required in this recipe. I do like it in this recipe though. It does add like a hint of chocolatiness because if you're gonna get protein powder, in my opinion, why not go with the chocolate kind? I mean, for people who are really active, like if you are going on a hike with these, or if you go to the gym often, or if you're otherwise, a runner, then you're gonna want more protein. And that's just science, that's the way it works. I'm not particularly active, but I aspire to be, so that counts. And honestly, the chocolate chips make it so that you don't have to put an insane amount of sugar in these things when you're making them. And because you're measuring the chocolate with your soul, there's no wrong way to really do it, because your soul's never wrong, right? Yeah. The problem is, when you want to eat a ton of them, and I suppose you can, but it's nice to keep them around for more than 6 hours in your house, So, anyway, there you have it. Couldn't be simpler, couldn't be easier. Great to take on a hike, great to pack in your kid's lunch, great to pack in your own lunch, great to just sort of snack on, like right before bed even. I mean, I know people are like, don't eat before bed, but honestly, if you're feeling a little peckish before you go to bed, going to bed hungry isn't a fun feeling. So just one of these will curb that. It's also a really easy thing to eat as breakfast. If you don't have time for breakfast, pop 3 or 4 of these in your mouth, grab your coffee, and, at least you have something to carry you until, for a little while. There you have it, granola bar bites.